welcome back to the channel. On today's episode of Adventures with Hobbs, I know I am sitting in Hobbzilla, but we're not going to use Hobbzilla, it's just a prop. On today's episode, we are at Royal King and we have a 1v1 challenge. You're going down.
No, you are.
Alright, so what are we doing today?
So basically what we are going to be doing, so I pick out your stuff.
You're picking out my stuff and I'm picking out yours? Or are you just picking out?
I'm just picking out both of ours.
So that's a big disadvantage for me. Alright, so you're going to go into Royal King all by yourself. Well, not all by yourself. We'll have parent supervision. Anyway, we're going into Royal King and you're going to pick out poles, hooks, weights, bobbers, baits. And whoever catches the most fish wins, right? And the loser of this challenge has to get eggs out of the chicken coop.
And there's a lot.
And there's a lot of eggs. So, alright, so your budget is going to be, we'll say $45. That's two poles, your baits, everything. $45. You cannot go over $45. Alright, you ready? Let's get it. What are you doing? Give me my handshake. You're going down. Alright, so I am standing outside Royal King while Lydia and Erica is inside. I'm kind of nervous because for one, I just gave an 8-year-old my credit card. For two, she's in charge of buying everything that I need to catch fish. This is gonna be fun.
Okay guys, so I think I'm gonna get this one for the both of us.
It's kind of little, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's fine.
Okay. What kind of bait do you think you're
I'm gonna give him this one.
Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna go get worms so I can actually catch one before him. Let's go. I think they're over here. Oh no, I need this one.
Yeah.
Okay. I think that's all I need.
Well, what does this come? Okay, so you got hooks, and then that already has line, so that's good. Bobber. Okay, yeah. Well, you're good.
Hey, this is only for me though. He gets these. What's the number? I got popcorn.
So I see popcorn and 2 poles and a bag. So let's go over what we got. So I'm assuming, I like the idea. I told you the baits, the hooks, the sinkers, the bobbers. So you bought 2 poles that's got the hooks, the sinkers, and the bobbers. All right, so let me see. I don't
This
know.
is for you.
Trickworm bubblegum. Okay.
And this one's for me.
Ain't that some junk? Hold on, wait a minute. So you get the fish with night crawlers, right? Oh my goodness, and I got the fish with trickworm bubblegum.
Yeah, I want to win.
And you're gonna win. So again, so it's a 1v1 challenge. You get worms, I get trickworms. You get popcorn, I get nothing. And you're gonna win, and I'm gonna pick eggs. Oh, it's on. Let's get All right, so we made it to the pond. We have exactly 1 hour to catch as many fishes as we can.
1 hour?
Yep. If we don't catch any fish on this pond and we got time, we'll go to the next pond. If we don't catch none and we got time, we'll go to the next pond until the hour's up, okay? So you got yours rigged up for your worms, and I got mine as a wacky worm. So I'm feeling pretty confident about my piece of bubble gum.
I'm feeling really confident.
Alright, you ready to go? Alright, we're gonna jump the fence, walk around to the pond, and cast out, and may the best fisherman win.
Yeah.
Time starts now.
You cheated.
You're cheating. I should have let you do this by yourself. Time started.
Oh gosh.
I got
Oh gosh.
Alright.
Ow.
Alright, so we are using the DMF bait company. It's got 6 pound, I don't know if you can see how small the reel is, 6 pound line, 40 yards. The gear ratio is 4 to 1 to 1. So that means oh my goodness, we're gonna have to reel super fast. But anyway, I don't know if you can tell how small that reel is, but it's really small.
This
So
button?
put your finger like this, like you're pulling it up. Now push and hold the button. Push it and hold it. Don't let go. And then as you cast it, let go of the button. I hope you got that. So I just had a bass hit right behind the trick worm.
I can try it now. I'm gonna try. No, Mama, give it to me. Give it to me.
Oh.
Don't.
Lord.
How's it twisting?
Really?
Really?
I got you. You gotta watch that bobble. Over here. Yeah, I'm gonna help you get it up out of there. Let it go. You gotta keep reeling. You had a fish. Well, you might catch one there. I don't know how you're gonna get it in. You got a bite already. Get ready. Nope, not yet. Go, 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 go. Go, reel it, reel it. Oh, reel. Oh, yeah, keep it reeling. Keep reeling. Where's he at? Oh, you got one. Hold on. Hold on, I'm gonna help you get it. Oh, I'm about to get in the water for this fish for you. Don't, you just keep, oh, it's so cold. Whew, I should have worn my rubber boots.
Hurry, get it.
You will hold on a minute.
It's not let
Don't, oh my God. I should let it go just because you're gonna win. Oh, I'm sinking. And it stinks. Ow!
Are you okay? I got a fish.
I'm stuck. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Got a finger. You got
Ow. I have it.
Get her first fish.
Can I hold it?
Put your finger in his mouth. It ain't gonna bite you. Got it? Hold it tight. There you go. Hold it tight. There you go. Now put your hand like that. Bam! Look at that.
I had a fish. Yeah? That's for best today.
Let me see. Show the camera. All right. Oh Lord, you can't let go of the button. That.
I didn't even let go of it. What under means. Can't believe I already got a fish. Is that underwater?
Does it look underwater?
I don't know.
See it?
No. Yeah? I only caught one.
I haven't caught none, so far you're winning.
Oh yeah.
And this too.
You might have to go get eggs.
Really? Set it. Real fast. Real fast. Oh, did you let go? You gotta reel it really fast.
Is it still on there?
So far, yeah. So far it's 1-0. I've had 2 bites on this little bubblegum trick worm. But in all honesty, see, she thinks that we're just doing a fishing challenge, but it's more importantly, you know, I work a full-time job, the wife works a full-time job, we do YouTube on the side, so we're steady busy. So it's really important that you don't let your obsession come in between your family, and take your family out. And it doesn't matter, like, you got pro fishermen, and you know, they still make time for their kids. So again, for, you know, always make time for your family, because your family is going to be there to support you in all the decisions that you make in life. So whether it's be YouTube or a full-time blue collar, it doesn't matter. Any chance you got to take the family out fishing, take them out. Again, she thinks this is just a 1v1v challenge. It's all about spending time with the kids.
That good one?
That's good, sis.
I have had probably 5 or 6 hits. They're small. I've got this little bitty brim hook. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell Lydia to come down here, see if she can't catch what's biting. Lydia, come down here. I've had a couple bites, I just can't catch them. Come show me how. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Oh my goodness, you got a bass. Keep reeling. Walk backwards. Oh no, it's not a bass, it's a brim. Hey, look at you go.
I got another one. I'm winning.
Oh, look, and the hook come out of his mouth. Like you barely had him hooked. Good job. Look at
I
that.
got 2 now. This time you didn't have to grab it in the water.
I know. Oh,
Oh gosh.
you pick it up. Pick it up right there. You go. How many does that make?
2.
How many I got?
1. 0.
Get out of here. All right, throw it back in the water.
Where'd it go?
Go. Oh, you might have missed that one. Yep.
I caught 2 fish.
Oh.
Did you reel it some? There you go.
I took it. I need another worm.
Come here.
Right now the score is 2-0. I've had a lot of hits on this bubble gum, but I cannot set the hook on this little pole. But it's 2-1 now. We've probably got, I don't know, 20 minutes, 10, 15, 20 minutes left of the challenge. So far it looks like I'm getting eggs out of the chicken coop.
I'm gonna go right here. Oh. That's more seaweed. the perfect pineapple.
Don't forget to reel it some.
Yeah. I do it 2 times.
Okay, start reeling. Up. Go up. Go up! Get it! Get it! Get it!
I got one!
Keep reeling.
Go. Stop. It looks like all the ones I got. Now I got 3!
She is done caught yet. She has done caught another fish. I've had hits, but not landed none of them. She has landed 3 of them. How many does that make?
That's 3.
I got it.
I feel bad for these fishes. I had touched a lot of fish today.
Alright, so the hour's up. I caught 5.
No, you didn't.
Okay.
You caught 0. Actually, yeah.
No, I
0.
caught 0. How many did you catch? 3. So it's safe to say that,
I won.
that you won. And I lost, so what does that mean I get to go do?
You have to go pick up all the chickens.
All the chicken eggs? Alright, good job. Proud of you. Wormy guts and all. Alright.
Ow.
So that is it for this challenge. It is safe to say that I did lose, and I am going to go get a bunch of chicken eggs out of the chicken coop. But more importantly, you thought we just was doing a challenge, wasn't you? See, that's not all that we were doing, folks. The important message of today's video was we all have our busy lives, our busy schedules. We work full-time jobs and do YouTube on the side. And sometimes fishing is my passion, outdoors is my passion, but my family is also my passion. So with that being said, it's very important to include your family in some of your fishing days. And that's exactly what we did. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. We're gonna do a small clip at the end of me collecting my eggs. So stay tuned for that. Drop a like, hit us with a comment, tell us what you think about here, Lydia Louise here winning the fishing challenge, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Bye.
You lose a bet, you collect eggs. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, that one's broke. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
5 foot. You gotta step out behind you.
That one's broke.
Oh, it is.
20 eggs, 10 hens. Yeah, my box.